Yesterday when we were working on the other area, we took down the old barbecue pit, which we didn't really need anymore, and we finished up this wall. The reason I ran out of stone here, originally I had the wall built, but then this end collapsed or started pulling away from the building because it was going down. So you can see what I did was I put some curves in the wall. So I brought it out there to curves, excuse me, so that way I could slant it up. Plus, hopefully this isn't going to settle anymore and do what it did before. So it's all back up, looking really good. Let's go over to the other area. So you can see I've done a lot of work over here. And the patio's looking pretty nice. Did the seat here just to see what it was like. It's kind of sharp on the edges, but still pretty cool. So this wall I decided to do kind of a really abstract type of wall. And now in hindsight, I think I might bring it out this way a little bit, right here. Excuse me. So the other thing I worked on was starting to get the Airchair entertainment center out. Now fortunately, I labeled everything last year really good. And we noticed taking it apart that it had water in the legs. So I drilled a hole in the bottom of each one. So I'm hoping that that'll let the water out. Now maybe what I'll have to do is lift it up a little bit because it's sitting on this polished granite. So it may not come out of there real good, but I think it will, but we'll see. I can always lift it up a little bit and see what runs out. So this area is looking really good. Our entrance, our wall here. Piled up more stone on there when we were taking apart the other barbecue area. And we got this really cool look going on. Okay, so I think I'm going to start putting the Airchair hangout center together. And that'll go right over there where it did last year. And then I think we're going to call it a day. It's kind of getting cold out again.